Have you ever pondered what the future of warfare might look like? Could lasers, akin to those in science fiction, become the weapons of choice? As we march forward into the 21st century, the nature of warfare continues to evolve. The days of traditional battlefield confrontations are giving way to a new era of technological warfare. The importance of adapting and staying ahead in this ever-changing landscape cannot be overstated. One such advancement that's challenging the status quo is the emergence of laser-directed energy weapons, or LDEWs. These aren't just the stuff of Star Wars fantasies anymore. They're real, they're here, and they could potentially redefine the way we approach conflict resolution. These weapons offer unparalleled advantages, from the speed of light travel and long-range engagement to the capability of targeting multiple threats simultaneously. Among these laser weapons, Britain's Dragonfire is making waves. But what exactly is this mysterious weapon? The Dragonfire laser weapon, a product of British ingenuity, is shrouded in secrecy. This high-powered laser weapon recently marked a significant milestone by engaging its first aerial targets. The trial, conducted at the Ministry of Defence's Hebrides range, showcased the weapon's precision and power, demonstrating a promising stride towards a new era in weaponry. The Dragonfire laser is in the 50 kilowatt range, a solid-state weapon utilizing doped glass fiber bundles and a classified British-designed beam combining system. This sophisticated technology is housed in a turret, featuring an electro-optical camera and a secondary laser for target acquisition and beam focusing. While specifics such as the weapon's range remain classified, the Ministry of Defense has highlighted Dragonfire's capacity to track and counter aerial threats. With pinpoint accuracy, it can reportedly hit a 1-pound coin from a kilometer away. Furthermore, each shot costs approximately 10 pounds, a remarkable feat considering the high costs of traditional missile systems. The development of the Dragonfire laser, led by the Defense Science and Technology Laboratory, was funded at a cost of £100 million. The weapon is being considered for deployment with the British Army and the Royal Navy, marking a potential shift in the future of warfare. With each shot reportedly costing as little as £10, the Dragonfire laser weapon could transform the battlefield. This demonstration of power, precision, and cost-effectiveness brings us a step closer to a new era in weaponry. But what does the advent of Dragonfire mean for the future of warfare? The introduction of Dragonfire, Britain's high-powered laser weapon, could have profound implications for the future of warfare. This cutting-edge technology potentially paves the way towards a new era of cost-effective and highly precise combat strategies. The recent inaugural test against aerial targets demonstrated the Dragonfire's precision and power, marking a significant milestone in the development of laser-directed energy weapons. One of the most promising aspects of Dragonfire is its potential to reduce reliance on expensive ammunition. Traditional missile systems, while effective, pose challenges due to their high cost and finite supplies. Dragonfire, on the other hand, offers a remarkably low cost per shot, presenting an economical alternative in the face of escalating defense budgets. Moreover, Dragonfire's precision minimizes the risk of collateral damage, ensuring that the intended target is neutralized while sparing unnecessary destruction. This accuracy, coupled with the weapon's ability to counter multiple threats simultaneously, can significantly enhance the efficiency of military operations. The recent trial builds upon previous tests and is a step towards transitioning this technology from research to practical battlefield application. Although no specific timeline for operational deployment has been disclosed, speculation suggests a possible deployment on a Royal Navy ship within 5 years. Dragonfire could also play a crucial role in countering the growing threat of drone swarms, offering a cost-effective and efficient solution to this modern challenge. As warfare evolves, so too does our weaponry. With weapons like Dragonfire, the future of war